Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper heart. We'll start by folding our paper in halves, and once you have it, we'll fold this bottom half of the paper again in half, so that we'll bring this line to the center line here. Once we have it, we'll turn our paper around and we'll bring this line here to the center, so we'll fold it up and press it down, and we'll do the same with the other side, so that we will fold it to the center line and press it down. Once we have it, we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this line into the center line here. And on this side, we will also fold this top point to the point here, so that we'll make some kind of triangle. And we'll repeat the same steps on the other side. So bring this one to the center line, press it down, and fold this point down there, and press it down. Once we've made this, we'll fold our paper in half. And press it down. Now we'll open this flap and we'll just put our finger down there to press it down. And do the same, so open it and press the finger in the middle. Now we'll fold this point down there . And we'll also fold the point here about ½ centimeter down. And do the same on the other side, so fold this part in, press it down, and fold ½ centimeter of this point down. Just make sure that they look the same. I need to adjust this one. And now we'll fold the top part of our heart into the pocket that we have down there. So just fold it in. And we have our paper heart. And we can upgrade this if we make few of the hearts. And just before we tuck it in the pocket, so I will take it out of the pocket. We can take a rope and just place it between the hearts and tuck it in a pocket and do the same. And we've made a garland. I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun making these origami hearts. See you in next one. Bye!